continuing the conversation.
Let's continue the conversation. A&W Root Beer puts pants on polarizing mascot Bear Rudy after M&M's pauses spokes candies. What a headline. You're just like, it's all these things coming at me.
Got all the keywords.
I'm bobbing, I'm weaving. First of all, A&W Root Beer, that is some hell of a root beer. Don't even get me started on that. And you can have it. You are not allergic to it. You understand, Will?
Yeah, it's a great time.
You ever had yourself a root beer in a frosty mug?
During the weekend.
You had it on the weekend?
Yeah.
Oh, my goodness gracious. In the frosty mug? No, you didn't have it in the frosty mug.
I had it to go.
You had it to go. It
was a mistake.
It's no. I regret my behavior. No, it's still, listen, man, pioneers in the root beer game. And this is like consecutive shows. We've talked about root beer, maybe not consecutive, but recently we were talking about root beer for other reasons. And so anyway, M&M's leans out, they lean in, and they put pants on a character. What could be wrong with that? Okay, hang on a second. America, let's talk. Since 1963, Rudy, the great root bear, has been our beloved spokesbear. I didn't even know they had a bear. We knew people would notice because he's literally a 6-foot-tall bear wearing an orange sweater. But now we get it. Even a mascot's lack of pants can be polarizing. Therefore, we decided that Rudy will wear jeans going forward. Not to worry, though. He will remain our official spokesbear. So, wait a second. People were mad that he didn't have pants?
We are confident Rudy will continue to champion good food and good times for many years to come, now in denim.
Man, I thought it was the complete reversal. I thought they were mad. I thought people were mad that they put pants on him, but they put pants on him because people were mad about no pants.
Yeah, they don't want to show privates, obviously.
Well, he doesn't have any privates. He's a spokesbear. What are you talking about?
Yeah.
Did he have private areas before? No. Is there?
Well, that's where the conversation was gonna go.
Where are they?
Yeah.
What the hell is going on? What are you talking about? It's a stuffed animal. What?
I know. That's what people are talking about. It's like, okay, well, like this person or this bear is naked, essentially.
Yeah.
Flaunting.
Dude, I got naked stuffed animals all over my house. What are you talking about? Like, they don't all have pants on. Most of them don't even have shirts. Most of them don't even have shirts, Will.
You know? I agree with you.
Didn't you ever see those Beanie Babies? Like, I don't even have clothes, some of these things.
Yeah.
What do you got to do? You got to go to the store and
Haven't you seen Jungle Book? They're all naked.
Are they naked in Jungle Book as well?
Yeah.
I mean, what about animals in general? Animals are naked.
I put a T-shirt on Otis?
Animals are naked, Will.
Yeah.
Newsflash.
Uh-huh.
Well, actually, more people than ever are putting outfits on their dogs. So you wait.
But only sometimes.
You wait and you see. You watch and you see. Eventually, it's going to... Oh, my goodness. Is that a naked dog? Is your dog naked? My goodness gracious. I'm throwing things.
Yeah.
I am uncomfortable with your naked dog nearby. Someone clothe that animal. And then the dog starts humping them. As Otis would, of course.
Yeah. He would totally do that.
And then it's like all hell breaks loose. I have been violated.
Yeah.
Call the authorities.
Arrest that dog.
Call the authorities. They're shriveling up. Because the amount of offendedness is causing them to... Someone call the authorities. They're like a balloon that is...
deflating?
They're a deflating balloon.
Yeah.
As their offended level increases.
I didn't know that the bear was so prominent. You know?
I don't think it is that prominent. Like, I mean, that's
the guy.
No,
remember?
I know, but you know what you're showing right now? You're showing a Japanese A&W.
Yeah.
So maybe.
So where is it?
He may be bigger elsewhere.
So now they have to change the merchandise. They have to change the graphics and everything. It's a whole marketing.
You got to go get pants on.
Thing, yeah.
Well, I don't know, dude. I don't know. We're talking about A&W, and it's another one of those ones. Like on the way out of here, I'm getting peanut purple woke M&Ms, and I'm getting root beer with pants on. Like
that's your dinner.
Yeah. End of the day, I'm getting both.